today we are going on a hike, and this is a trail. So a trail is a path where you're walking.
Yeah. This is a tree, and this is bark.
Rough?
Wow, a humongous tree fell over. Look, you can see all the tree roots. Look at that.
So cool.
The roots. It's the part of the tree that gets the water. Now we're going down the stairs. This is a lookout. A lookout is a place where you can enjoy the view. Flowers. A lot of moss grows on old trees. Look how beautiful. I love moss. There's also a stream. A stream is like a river but smaller. It's so relaxing. Look how fast the water is going. Look, a little island. An island is a piece of land surrounded by water all around. Yay, we got to the end. There's a bamboo forest. This over here is bamboo. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like and comment and subscribe for more.